Can one mushroom really sharpen your mind after 60? Sounds far-fetched, but growing research says it just might. It's called lion's mane, and it's been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Now, scientists are finally catching up. As we age, our brains naturally lose volume. That means slower recall, more mental fog, and forgetfulness that can feel frustrating, or even scary. But here's the exciting part. Studies show lion's mane may actually support brain cell growth and improve focus and memory. So if you're looking for a natural way to keep your mind sharp after 60, this video is for you. We'll explore 5 science-backed benefits of lion's mane mushroom and show you simple ways to use it daily to support your brain, mood, and even your heart. Let's dive in. Number 5. Boost nerve growth factor, NGF. Lion's mane mushroom has been getting a lot of attention for helping the brain, and it's not just hype. This soft, shaggy mushroom boosts something called nerve growth factor, NGF, a protein that works like a repair team for your brain cells. It helps them stay alive, grow, and do their job better. With the help of NGF, which declines naturally with age, your brain can fix itself, make new connections, and stay flexible. In fact, research from the NIH shows that lion's mane mushroom helps nerve cells grow and reach out, kind of like coworkers suddenly excited to collaborate. This process, called neurite outgrowth, is super important and helps improve memory, learning speed, and may even delay cognitive decline. One study found that lion's mane extract boosted the growth and development of the brain, spinal cord, and even eye nerve cells. This suggests it may help repair damaged nerves, making it a promising natural option for brain conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Number 4. Relieves mild symptoms of depression and anxiety. Depression and anxiety don't just affect the young. Many seniors face these challenges too, often made worse by loneliness, health issues, or losing loved ones. These feelings can make everyday tasks feel heavy and exhausting. Luckily, new research points to lion's mane mushroom as a natural way to help. It contains special compounds called hericenones and irenicines that boost the production of nerve growth factor, NGF, a protein that helps brain cells grow and stay healthy. By encouraging NGF, lion's mane may support both brain function and emotional health. Studies suggest it can ease anxiety and depression by helping the brain grow new cells in the hippocampus, the area that controls memory and emotions. Here's the interesting part. A study by the Oncology Nursing Society looked at 77 overweight people and found that taking lion's mane extract for 8 weeks significantly improved symptoms of depression, anxiety, and sleep problems. While scientists are still figuring out exactly how it works, these results suggest lion's mane could have a real positive effect on mood and mental health. Number 3. Protects against dementia. Dementia is every senior's worst nightmare, a slow, sneaky thief that steals memory, thinking skills, and independence piece by piece. For many, it means struggling with simple tasks, losing precious memories, and feeling distant from loved ones. If you're worried about losing your mind, here's a natural option worth knowing: lion's mane mushroom. This brain-boosting fungus is loaded with compounds called hericenones and irenicines that help produce nerve growth factor, which helps your brain cells heal, connect, and stay flexible. Studies show that lion's mane may also reduce brain inflammation and oxidative stress, which are 2 big factors behind diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. In fact, a study by the Alzheimer's Drug Discovery found that people with mild cognitive impairment who took lion's mane extract for several weeks showed noticeable improvements in thinking and memory. This suggests lion's mane could be a natural way to help keep your mind sharp. And honestly, who wouldn't want to stay sharp enough to follow a recipe without missing a step? Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us share more great tips on natural health, longevity, and wellness. Number 2. Prevents heart disease. Did you know that lion's mane mushroom can boost not just your brain, but your heart health too? Here's the catch. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, especially for seniors. It brings risks like heart attacks, strokes, and high blood pressure that can make everyday life a struggle. For many older adults, it feels like a constant shadow, always reminding them of the dangers. Lion's mane has been shown to reduce harmful fats in the blood, helping protect your heart, brain, and waistline all at once. Research supported by the NIH showed that rats on a high-fat diet who took lion's mane extract daily had a 27% drop in triglycerides and gained 42% less weight over 28 days compared to rats that didn't get the extract. These results suggest that lion's mane could be a natural and effective way to support heart health. Number 1. Fights against cancer. Cancer is one of the scariest diagnoses a person can face, especially for seniors who are already managing other health challenges. The treatments can be harsh, the future uncertain, and the emotional toll heavy. But researchers are starting to uncover something hopeful in an unlikely place: lion's mane mushroom. This brain-boosting fungus is also packed with compounds like polysaccharides, beta-glucans, and adenosines, all of which have shown promising effects against cancer in early studies. These compounds may help the immune system spot and attack abnormal cells, stimulate natural defenses, and even slow the growth of certain cancer cells in lab tests. Lion's mane may also reduce oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, two key drivers in cancer development. And by promoting cell repair and nerve growth, it may support the body through conventional cancer treatments, especially in maintaining energy and function. Frank, a 69-year-old retiree, began using lion's mane alongside his doctor's guidance. Over time, he reported feeling more energized and mentally clear. While results like this are anecdotal and individual experiences vary, early studies suggest lion's mane may support overall wellness. Now that we know how powerful lion's mane mushroom can be, let's look at how to easily work it into your daily routine and start reaping its amazing health benefits. Lion's mane mushroom is easy to add to your diet without changing much. You can cook it like regular mushrooms, sauté it, and toss it into soups, stir-fries, or omelets. It has a mild, meaty flavor that fits right in. If you're more of a coffee or tea person, lion's mane powder mixes well with your morning drink. It gives you a clean energy boost without the jitters. Smoothies are another simple option. Just blend the powder with fruit, unsweetened Greek yogurt, and nuts. It won't mess with the taste, but it'll definitely give your brain a healthy kick. If you're aiming to boost brain power and protect your health after 60, lion's mane mushroom could be a game changer. Just a few servings a week may support mental clarity, mood, and even heart health. What topics should we cover next? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to Healthwise 60 for more science-backed tips to stay strong, sharp, and independent as you age. And don't miss this next video. It's packed with simple, powerful tips you can start using today. See you there.